Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install ChatGPT, because if the download is stuck on queued or if it is stuck on checking dependencies, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to, at the bottom right of the screen, here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically. If this is on, you can turn it off. Also set time automatically. If this is off, turn it on. Scroll down, click on sync now. Once the sync is done, go to time and language and region, and make sure your country is selected over here. And then you can check. If that does not work, click on your profile icon at the top right and then sign out, then sign in. Select the right account, then continue, enter your PIN or password. Now once you're logged in, now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run wsreset command. So type in wsreset in Windows search box, click on wsreset run command. This will reopen Microsoft Store, and then you can try to install ChatGPT. Still not working. The next step is to repair or reset store. So type in Microsoft Store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store, go to app settings, scroll down, click on terminate first, and then click on repair. Once the repair is done, now you can check. If that does not work, click on reset. After the reset, you can open store and then check. Next step is to delete Microsoft Store local cache folder. For this, open File Explorer, go to this PC, C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open AppData folder. If you don't see AppData at the top, click on View, select Show, put a check on Hidden Items, and then open AppData folder. Open the local folder. Now open the Packages folder. Scroll down, find Microsoft Store folder. So here you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric character. Open this folder. Here you can see local cache. Make a right click, click on delete, relaunch store, and then check. Still not working. Start these services. So type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Microsoft Store install service. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update. Scroll down at the bottom somewhere you will find Windows Update. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click and then click on restart. Once this is done, relaunch store and then check. Next step is to run this command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will re-register all the Microsoft Store apps, and during this process you will see some errors in red color. So if you see errors like these in red color, just ignore it, let the process complete. Once this is done, you will see everything red, and then restart your PC and then check. Next step is to try installing it from the store library. So open Microsoft Store, go to download option. At the bottom left you will see download option, click on download. If you see ChatGPT over here, try to install it from here. Or you can even go to library. If you find ChatGPT in the library, you can try to install it from here. In my case, it's in download. So try to install it. Still not working. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. Now copy the first command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. Now this will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. Once done, copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will reinstall Microsoft Store on your computer. Now you can try to install. Still not working. The next step is to run these two commands. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to run inet cpl.cpl command. So type in inet cpl.cpl and then click on it. Go to advanced tab, scroll down, make sure use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, all four are checked over here, and then hit apply. Apply is important. Click on OK and then relaunch store. Next step is to update Windows. Now for this you can go to Windows Update, click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, click on recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then check. Now still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. This is for Windows 11 users. Click on next, select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer, and then you can open Microsoft Store and then try to install ChatGPT. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install ChatGPT successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.